Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you my Shopkins. And remember the video? I opened them, but I deleted it. So that's ready. So what I have is this Shopkin vending machine, and I keep all my Shopkins inside it. So we have Cupcake Queen, we have Liquor Turn, and Popsicle. In the back, we have Apple Blossom, Wishes, we have Sally Shakes, and we have Scrubs, and we have Grand Jam in the back, and a little green basket. Not supposed to be green, but... And finally, in the front, we have the Shopkins logo over here, and we have Bubbles, we have Delish Donut, we have Liquor Carol, and Yilchi right there. Let's see if there's any more Shopkins. And here we have Strawberry Kiss, and just plain green on the bottom. So let's open it. Oh. And on the other side we have Popsicle, we have Lollipoppins, and we have Cheeky Chocolate. That's the first time I saw Cheeky Chocolate with her eyes closed like that. So that's ready to open. Here's the container with the window and all the Shopkins. And yeah, so we have one bag, two bag. These are season 3 bags. They're squishy. And there's an S on both sides. Shopkins on each side. Okay, another bag, 3 bag, four bag, and last of all, 5 bag. Let's get to the list. Here's my season one list. Let's see, what season is this? Hold on, guys. What season is this? This is season 3 list. So we have 2 lists, season 3 and season 1. We have a season, another 3 over here. And I have one more list, that's a season 3. So we have 3 season 3s, and we have 1 season 1. That's so weird. It's 3 season 3s, and 1 season 1. That's weird. Okay, so we can finally get to the shop. Okay. So we have Sally Secret. She has an S on her. She has a little, she's in pink. I don't have her in blue. And she has Moose China. And she has a little green string locker. And look at her little eyes and mouth. And here's the back. Here's the side. Okay, let's put her right in the vending machine packet. So now we have Cocho Lava. See? It's a little cake. She has a little creaming on top. She has a little like dot strawberry. And she's brown, and she just has little stuff. And it says Moose China on her right there. Not most of them have holes, but Sally Secret, and Coco Lava has one. And here's a little boot heel. So she has a purple laces, she's red, and her heels are white. And look at her. She has no hole. So there's two. Okay, never mind. We have, hold on guys. Okay. We have, hold on. Lana Banana Bread. Hold on, I'll get her out. Here is Lana Banana Bread. She's yellow and she has brown crust on the top. She has 5 bumps. And she has all these bread. This side. And she has this side. So yes, she has those 2 sides. We have Susie, Sushi. She's green and green. There's a red stick in her hand. She has a yellow and red tail and a green seashell. And she has a white drink. She is so cute. I don't like this one that much, but she has a hole. Let's see. Banana bread has a hole. We have carrot cake. Carrot cake. And she's in yellow. She has pink on top of her in the back over here. Where she's right. This is Cheesy Bee. She came with this vending machine I got. She is in red. She has, of course, green salad, and she has yellow bread. She has orange chips, and she has red ketchup. And of course she has red bread, another red bread. So we have Popeye. Wait, I don't know what her name is. So let's look on the list. Is this season 1? No, it's season 3. Let's see if she's in the pantry. Her name, hold on, her name is yet, so I don't think she's in this. Oh, her name is Pop Rock. I have no idea. I think she's like a controller for fireworks. Pop Rock. Here's Pop Rock. She has red stars and she has a thing. It says pop in red, and she has green all around her. She has yellow in the background. Here she is, and she's like bending her back. So here she is. She has no hole. I thought she would have a hole, but she doesn't. Cheesy Bee. Yes, she has a hole, of course. So let's see. We have Alpha Soup. She has green little letters. She has a blue spoon, and she's purple all around. Yay! It's Alpha Soup. Came with the vending machine too. Here is Hattie Hat. She's yellow and she has a pink ribbon around her, and she has red lipsticks. She has a hole. Let's see. Alpha Soup. She has a hole. We have, let's see what this tomato is. I think she's season 3. So we could check on a season 3 list. She should be in the pantry or the food section. The pantry is where all the, oh, her name's Cherry Tomato. I didn't know there were kind of cherry tomatoes around here. But her name is Cherry Tomato. Cherry Tomato. She's green.